Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 645 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to go over how to customize the built-in watch faces on the Garmin Forerunner 645. So this will include changing the template, the data sets, the colors, everything like that, so that you really get a unique look out of this and you get to see the data that you want to see. If you're looking for a video on how to install a third-party watch face from the Garmin Connect IQ store, check the description because I also will have a tutorial on that as well. So let's go and get started from the watch face here. To get into the settings to where we can change the watch face and customize it, we simply hold the up button. You'll see watch faces, select that using the start or stop button right here. And then as you can see, we can go through and use the up and down button to scroll through all the different built-in watch faces. Now if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll have the option to add new, and that's what I'm going to do here. But with any of these built-in watch faces, if you simply select it, you can apply it or do customize and even delete it if you want to. So we're going to select add new at the bottom and go through building our own watch face. So first we select either digital or analog. I'm going to do digital. And then after we've selected digital, we can go into the layout. So I'll select layout, and then we can go through the different templates that are available. And these will have different amount of configurable areas for different data sets. So I recommend going through and playing with each one. My favorite is this one right here, so I'm going to select that. And then after that we can select if we want to have the seconds displayed, and that's where it shows what second it is. Having the seconds displayed on the watch face can use the battery life, so it's just a preference right there. If you want to have longer battery life, I recommend turning that off. I'm going to leave it on though. Next we have data, and that's where we can configure what each of the data sets are. So if it's blinking, that means I can change it, and I can scroll through the options by going up or down. You can see what options are available here. I like this one because it shows if I'm connected and then also my battery life. So I'll select that. And then as you can see, once I selected this one, it moved on to the next one. So we can change what data is displayed here. And those were the available options. I'm going to do my steps right there. And then in this one, I'll do sunrise, sunset. And then in the last spot available, I'll do my notifications. So I'll select that, and then as you can see, that was all the available spots for me to add data. So it brought me back to the menu right here, and now we can choose the accent color. So that's going to be the color displayed on the watch face. I kind of like this blue color, but there are several colors available. All right. And then finally we could do background color, and that's going to be either white or black. I prefer the black, it's just a little bit less harsh. After that we're done, so we just select done, and then that'll be our permanent watch face. So that's how you customize the built-in watch faces on the Garmin Forerunner 645. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 645 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.